How to fix Genshin Impact insufficient storage space problem on Android. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your settings app. Now click on the option about phone. Head towards the option of storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Likewise, click on this option, free up. Click on clean up. With that, all the cache of your device will be cleared. Heading towards next solution, you have to long press on Genshin Impact application. Go to the app info. Now click on the option clear data. Select the option clear cache. Click on OK. Again click on clear all data. Click on OK. After you do that, you can close this. Open your settings app. Scroll down, find the option additional settings. Now scroll down and head towards the option of developer options. Open it. Now scroll down. Find the option graphic driver preferences and then open it. Now find the app Genshin Impact. Once you find it, open it. Now check in for the option system graphics driver. Once you apply all these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix Genshin Impact insufficient storage space problem on Android. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.